Welcome back to Mytharchy, Architecture Design Ideas. Today, we're diving into the world of succulent gardens for small spaces and containers. Whether you live in a city apartment, a cozy home with a tiny balcony, or simply want a low-maintenance green touch indoors, succulents are the perfect solution. In this video, we'll explore design ideas, container styles, DIY projects, and care tips to help you create a stunning succulent garden that's stylish, practical, and easy to maintain. Succulents are the ultimate choice for small spaces. They don't need much water, they thrive in containers, and their sculptural shapes make them natural works of art. Unlike high-maintenance plants, succulents adapt easily to different environments, whether indoors or outdoors. For renters, apartment dwellers, or busy homeowners, they offer a beautiful garden experience without the stress of constant care. Not all succulents are created equal for small containers. Some thrive in tight spaces, while others grow too large. For compact gardens, consider plants like Echeveria, Sedum, Aloe, Jade Plant, and String of Pearls. These varieties stay manageable in size and offer diverse colors and textures. Mixing them creates a dynamic, layered garden effect. Choosing the right container can transform your succulent garden from simple to stunning. Think beyond standard pots. Try shallow bowls, ceramic trays, wooden crates, recycled tin cans, or even teacups. For modern homes, sleek concrete or marble planters add elegance, while rustic wooden boxes bring warmth. Vertical planters, wall frames, and hanging baskets are great for maximizing limited space. Styling is where succulent gardens shine. Combine different heights, textures, and colors. Place tall succulents like aloe or jade in the back, medium-sized rosettes in the middle, and trailing succulents in front for a layered look. Use decorative rocks, gravel, or sand to enhance the design. For modern spaces, stick to a minimalist palette. For rustic charm, mix earthy tones and vintage containers. Succulents thrive in both indoor and outdoor spaces, but each requires a different approach. Indoors, they need bright indirect light, proper drainage, and minimal watering. Outdoors, they can handle more sun but may need protection from heavy rain. Choose hardy species for balconies and patios, while delicate ones like Echeveria do well indoors. The key is adapting care to your environment. DIY succulent projects are fun, creative, and budget-friendly. Try building your own terrarium, crafting a succulent centerpiece for your dining table, or making a vertical succulent wall for your balcony. With a little creativity, you can transform old items like picture frames, bird cages, or wooden pallets into unique succulent gardens. These projects not only save money, but also add a personal touch to your space. Succulents are low maintenance, but a few simple steps keep them thriving. Use well-draining soil, avoid overwatering, and ensure plenty of light. Water only when the soil is dry, typically once every 1 to 2 weeks indoors, more frequently outdoors in summer. Rotate containers to ensure even sunlight and remove dead leaves regularly. With proper care, succulents can last for years, even decades. Succulent gardens prove that even the smallest spaces can become green, vibrant, and stylish retreats. With the right plants, creative containers, and a touch of care, you can design a garden that fits on a balcony, a windowsill, or even your desk. If you enjoyed these succulent garden ideas, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Mytharchy, Architecture Design Ideas, and share your own succulent projects in the comments below. Until next time, keep creating beauty in every corner of your home.